Will AI take over the world? Will it take your job? I'm here to find out. I'm going to be using an AI trading GPT with $100 and seeing how high we can run the account up. We're going to be using Perplexity Comet to map out some levels on the chart before feeding them in to a GPT which will spit out some trade ideas. We will take those trade ideas on a 5% risk ratio, i.e. if you're stopped out, you lose 5% of the account, and we're going to try and see how high we can run this up and compound. And if we look here at some of the modeling on this equity curve simulator, we can see that we could potentially run this up into the hundreds of thousands, if not into the millions. So the real question is, how high can we go? So here we have the Perplexity Comet browser and trading view, and we will type in here to map out some key levels for Bitcoin on the chart. And so it gives us some nice levels here. So we've got some resistance zones, we've got some support zones. So we will go ahead and draw these on. So we will put a line here, we'll make it white, and we will type in our price. And we will type in support. We will look up here and we can see some clear resistance. It aligns with what Perplexity Comet says, so we'll mark this resistance. We will type in our price, $116,009. What else do we have? So we will go in and type what other key trading levels are there for Bitcoin. So we have a range. So we've got 116,300 to 116,600 as a resistance range. So we will use a box for this. So we will box that out and we will type in here resistance zone. Similarly, we can see quite a nice short-term support level at 115,200. So we will type that in here. And we'll label this near-term support. What else do we have? I think this is a bit close, but we'll put this in anyway at 116. This is our retested support level. Now we'll go over to the liquidation heat maps. We will take a picture of this and we will head over to our AI trading bot. We type this in and here it is given us a trade. So we've got an entry zone of 115,200 to 114,930. It's given us some stop loss zones and it's given us some nice take profit zones. So we'll come back over to the chart and map these out using this position. So we'll stretch it out. We'll type in our risk here and we'll go across to Hyperliquid to place this. So we will type in Bitcoin. We will adjust our leverage to 18x. We will type in our price, which we will go for the upper region. We will type in our stop loss, 114,680, and our take profit, 116,800. We will go over to Block Pro and we will calculate our contract size. So we can see 0.00962 Bitcoin is what we need, and we will confirm our long order. And now we wait to see if we get ticked in. And so coming back, we can see we've been ticked in and we've pushed through. So we have our first take profit here, 18% at 116,400. And here we go. That is full profit, 116,800. So we have locked in a 25%. And so that is trade number one, closed for a $13 profit. So that is a 13% return on day one. Not bad, not bad. Tune in tomorrow to find out tomorrow's trade and see if we can continue this winning roll. If you don't want to wait until tomorrow, Join the Telegram group in the description where I will be sharing the trades as I take them. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which assets you'd like me to trade this on.